At the moment, let's go straight across to it. Okay, breaking news just coming in. Government of Uttar Pradesh has prepared to bring back migrant workers from other states who have completed 14 days in quarantine. That's the news just trickling in as we speak. The Uttar Pradesh government is now planning evacuation in a phased manner. So, government's bringing into action to address the migrant labor crisis. Government of Uttar Pradesh is gearing up now to bring back the migrant workers from other states who have completed 14 days in quarantine. Remember, we did have a lot of complaints from migrant workers as to how they were left with no ration and how they were struggling to get back into their hometown as well. And the migrant worker crisis is at the center stage really of the coronavirus pandemic, because many have been stuck in different cities who want to come back home as well. But the UP government is now preparing to bring them back. Nilanshu, breaking the story first on India Today, is now joining us. Nilanshu, it's some sort of respite coming in for the migrant workers. The caveat being that the ones who have completed 14 days in quarantine, the UP government will be planning the evacuation in the phased manner. If you could bring us up to speed with the latest news that is coming in.
Jyoti, many stranded laborers from different states have contacted the state government, and they have said that they want to go back to their homes because they are not getting proper facilities in quarantines and shelter houses which have been set up in different states. And this matter was raised before Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in the meeting that he chaired in the morning, and CM has instructed the officials to ensure that the stranded laborers in other states are brought back to UP in a phased manner, and all the lockdown, all the required norms are maintained by them. What we have been told from our sources is that a strategy is being made, and the nodal officers in UP are contacting the other state governments, and the government will be requested to drop the migrant workers belonging to UP at the state borders, and from the state borders, the government will be picking them and they will be dropped to the respective districts. Also, a strategy is being made by the government to provide financial assistance and also ration to the workers who will return to UP. So right now this order has been given, and more details will be given in the
So there's good respite coming in for the migrant workers. UP government gearing up to bring back the stranded migrant workers, the ones who have completed 14 days in quarantine. Thanks, Nilanshu, for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest. Moving on from Uttar Pradesh to news now coming in from